Hello guys, so I'm going to do a 2x2 Rubik's Cube through 5x5 Rubik's Cube relay on a treadmill, and the speed, they're computer generated scrambles, except for the 5x5. I didn't want to solve it and mix it up again. So, yeah, I'm not going to time the thousands, it's just, the treadmill times the segment anyway. The time starts as soon as the treadmill starts. Just saying. So this is just to get used to the speed and make sure the cubes wouldn't fall when they're, when they are like this. Like pretending I'm solving. I'm not gonna look at it. Yeah, just to make sure when the cubes fall. Like 4. So they would not fall. And now I've gotten used to the speed. So, set this up. So inspection starts now. Ready, set, go. Oh, 4. Sorry. That's solved. Woo! Oh yeah, every day I'm solving my cube. That's solved. Yeah. It's so hard. I'm so much slower on the treadmill. Let's turn it up to 5. Sorry, I'm slow. On treadmills, you can get really slow. Oh God! Help me! Just kidding. I messed up. I mean, usually it takes about a minute for this, and now, no. Wait a minute. I can't. Oh my God. I will also say the distance that I ran. This is for you. I'm replacing this for my moped one. So far, half a mile. Wait, no it's not. Half a mile would have been insane. This cube is solved. Sorry if you can't see the cube. Am I really doing this? Mother of balloons! Guys, I'm not trying to be funny. If you think this is funny, I'm not trying to. Whoa, whoa! I'll tell something else, guys! If I could solve faster, this is my first time. I've never actually practiced this. I'm already can feel the sweat inside of me. It's gonna be coming out of my body soon. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, phew! Almost got doomed. Guys, I'm doing this for you. Harder than it looks when you're solving a Rubik's Cube. Please let me do this. I need to. Just to regain some balance. And now I got my balance back, so don't worry. Whoa! Bad cases! Can I get this? I hope that's allowed. Sorry, I cheated. Tell me in the comments if you want me to do this again with 2x2 through 7x7. I'll do it. Or if you want me to do 3x3 blind on this, I will. Tell me which one you want. 3x3 blind on this or 2x2 through 7x7. Always speed 5. Even in my blind solves, I can look in front of me. Wait. Children! Help! This is so slow. Oh my god. I know it looks easy, it's not. Done with that training. I know I'm slow. Wait. I'm ahead of this treadmill. So almost done. Done! Woo! 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 If you didn't see, I dropped these cubes and they were solved. But 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5. I'm sure you guys might have not heard me because that's really, really hard. Like, I was saying, would you rather have me do 2x2 or 7x7 relay, 3x3 blind? Thanks for watching, guys. I don't have enough energy to stop the camera. And I don't have enough energy to trim it when I'm done. Can I touch it? Alright, so once again, leave a comment. 2x2, 7x7, or 3x3 blind. And possibly 2x2 and 3x3 blind. It would be a really